Hello and welcome to the Line of Sight. Here are the top stories of the day. Assembly polls in Jharkhand in 5 phases from November 30. Pollution control body declares public health emergency in Delhi NCR. GST collections low in October despite festive season. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan announces entry fee waiver for Kartarpur pilgrims on 2 occasions. India's 8 core industries output declined by 5.2% in September. BJP leader says Maharashtra to have president's rule if new government is not formed by November 7. Now, the news in detail. The Election Commission has announced the dates for Jharkhand Assembly elections. The state will go to polls in 5 phases beginning November 30. The second phase will be conducted on December 7, third phase on December 12, fourth phase on December 16 and fifth phase on December 20. The election results will be declared on December 23rd. Currently, the BJP, led by Chief Minister Raghubar Das, is in power in the state. Delhiites are gasping for breath as the Environment Pollution Authority declared a public health emergency in the Delhi NCR region. They banned construction activities till November 5th. As the pollution level entered the severe category, a Supreme Court mandated panel also banned bursting of crackers in winter. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced that all schools will remain shut till Tuesday. He also blamed stubble burning in neighbouring states for Delhi turning into a gas chamber. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan said Indian pilgrims visiting Darbar Sahib Gurudwara at Kartarpur need not carry passports. They will only be required to produce an ID card. He also announced an entrance fee waiver for the pilgrims on the opening day of the corridor on November 9 and on the 550th birthday of Guru Nanak on November 12. According to the Finance Ministry data released on Friday, GST collection in October declined to 95,380 crore rupees as against 1,710 crore rupees in the year-ago month. This is the third consecutive month when GST collections remained below the 1 trillion rupees mark despite October being a festive month. The revenue collection in September stood at 91,916 crore rupees. The core sector output, which is the indicator of India's economy, slumped 5.2% in September. This is believed to be its worst performance in 14 years and also indicates that the economy may have fallen further in the second quarter of the current financial year. The index of 8 core industries, which measures output in coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, fertilizers, steel, cement and electricity grew 4.3% in September last year. BJP leader Sudhir Mugantiwar said that Maharashtra may head for president's rule if a new government is not formed in the state by November 7. Uncertainty still remains on the government formation in Maharashtra due to the ongoing tussle between allies BJP and Shiv Sena over the Chief Minister's post. The BJP leader's comments came as there appears no headway in the government formation even a week after the election results were declared on October 24. The tenure of the existing Legislative Assembly ends on November 8. For more such videos, subscribe to the Federal's YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.